how to log into American Express. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into American Express account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to log into American Express, it's actually quite simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go to americanexpress.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to americanexpress.com, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is, if you look at the top right hand corner, you'll find this option known as login. You want to make sure to click the login button here. Once you click on the login option, over here you can see login into my account. So now you just have to go ahead and make sure to enter the user ID that you created, and then you have to make sure to enter your correct password. Once you've done that, from cards and banking you can set to members and rewards, you can set your merchant account and American Express at work. So I'm assuming most of you just want to view your card and banking details. You can select that, click the login button in order to sign into your AMEX account completely. That's all it takes to log in to American Express accounts. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.